Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, January 12th, 2025, we're going to take an in-depth look at the XAUUSD market. We'll start by reviewing the current news related to XAUUSD, and then analyze the chart data to identify potential correlations. Recent news reports suggest a surge in gold prices driven by factors like safe haven demand due to economic uncertainties and a weaker-than-expected employment report. This bullish sentiment seems to have pushed gold to a 4-month high, but we need to assess the technical aspects through our charts. Let's start by examining the daily chart of XAUUSD. The daily chart reveals a recent price increase, possibly linked to the aforementioned bullish news events. We can pinpoint potential support levels around the 2000 range, with the 1900 range acting as strong support in previous periods. However, we should consider the recent surge and possible overbought conditions indicated by the chart. The price action shows a potential resistance at the 2050 level and a possible trend reversal, which warrants cautious optimism. Now, let's narrow our focus to a more specific period. This range in the daily chart exhibits a consolidation pattern before a recent price jump. To better understand this price movement, let's switch to the 1-hour chart and look at the same time period. The 1-hour chart provides a granular view of this consolidation. We can observe several instances of support and resistance being tested within a tight range. A breakout from this range propelled the price upwards on January 10, 2025, coinciding with the positive market sentiment following the news reports. Let's also take a brief look at the 15-minute chart to analyze short-term volatility. The 15-minute chart could show some short-term fluctuations, providing insights into immediate trading opportunities. From the perspective of our different chart views, we see some clear potential support and resistance points. Looking at the daily chart, we have support levels in the 2000 range, while resistance is present near the 2050 range. The 1-hour chart reveals more precise short-term support and resistance levels based on the recent volatility. These short-term levels are constantly in flux and must be carefully assessed for current prices. In summary, the recent price action demonstrates a mix of bullish and bearish signs. The news regarding economic uncertainties and employment reports suggests a potential continuation of the bullish momentum. However, technical analysis, particularly the daily chart patterns, suggests a potential resistance at the 2050 level and a possible trend reversal. It's crucial to monitor these key price levels and remain vigilant for potential shifts in market sentiment. If economic news turns bearish or employment data suggests strength, the price might decline and test the support levels in the 2000 range. The likelihood of these predictions depends entirely on future events and data. They are not guarantees.